farmers anymore. Her brother farms, raises cattle, and owns a trucking company that transports cattle. She's married to a cattle order buyer who raises cattle too. Her sister is married to a man that farms as well, predominantly raising hay crops and cattle. She grew up on a farm and still lives on one. Both of her children are very active in Lytle FFA. She truly knows the importance of agriculture. Mrs. Smith not only comes to FFA activities, but supports the FFA in so many ways. She helped develop the use of what we call the pasture, an outdoor lab near the livestock barn where the FFA has cattle and goats. We've been growing as a chapter, so she has supported the addition of pens at the livestock barn, supported our increased participation in leadership and career development events, which includes the extra travel involved for these events. She's seen to it that we have the most up-to-date equipment and machines in our shops and our overall program, so that our kids are well prepared out there in the real world. I cannot remember a time when we approached her with a need for our program, and if we justified that need, she saw to it that we were able to get it. She has provided us stability, something rare these days. Stability is important, more so now than ever. Very few schools have superintendents that stay in that position for more than a few years. Mrs. Smith has been superintendent of Lytle ISD for 23 years. Schools have to run like a business, and in many small towns, it is the biggest business. When you have a leader that is there year after year, things just run a lot smoother. Maybe not for her, but on all of us that she leads. Scott Conover has been a long time